Hi everyone, and welcome to the Texas Water Development Board's latest Water and Weather Report. I'm Dr. Mark Wentzel, a hydrologist here in the Surface Water Division at the agency, and I hope your new year is beginning well. Today we're going to take a look at conditions for our state at the end of January 2020. Here's the U.S. Drought Monitor map for conditions as of January 28th. At that time, 34% of the state was in drought, mostly below a line stretching from Del Rio in the southwest to Texarkana in the northeast. Since late December 2019, moderate or worse drought, the tan and darker colors on the map, have decreased 2 percentage points, mostly due to improvements north of the line. But severe or worse drought, the orange and red, has expanded 3 percentage points and now covers 12% of the state, mostly due to drought intensification south of that line. Despite continuing drought conditions for a large area of our state, our water supply reservoirs have begun the year in pretty good shape, as shown in this chart. The dark green line shows total water supply in our reservoirs as compared to minimum, median, and maximum values for the time of year. Also shown are how we fared in 2019 and 2018. This year, we began the year at 81% of capacity, about normal for that time of year. During the month of January, storage has increased to almost 83% of capacity, putting us more than 1 percentage point above normal for this time of year. Conditions should continue to improve for our reservoirs and our landscape over the next few months. Through the end of April, the National Weather Service is predicting about normal precipitation for Texas. That should be sufficient to continue to increase our reservoir storage and improve drought conditions. Unfortunately, it is not expected to be enough to eliminate drought entirely from our state. That concludes our Water and Weather Report for January 2020. In summary, 34% of the state remains in moderate or worse drought, down from 36% at the start of the year. Severe or worse drought covers 12% of the state, up from 9% at the start of the year. Our water supply storage has improved and is now slightly above normal for this time of year. In coming months, drought is expected to contract but not be eliminated from the state. Thanks for viewing, everyone.